Hey, Mr. G here, and we're gonna be going over the D minor 7 open chord. Now this is what it looks like and sounds like. And the D minor 7 open chord is made up of D, A, C, and F. So, to begin with, we're gonna play that open D on the 4th string. Then, on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, with our middle finger, we're going to play that A. Then we're going to take our index finger, just kind of bar it over the first 2 strings. I end up barring over the first 3 strings just because it's easier. But with it barred over the first 2 strings, we'll play that C on the 2nd string or the B string, which is on the 1st fret, and that F, which is on the E string or 1st string on the 1st fret. And when you pull them all together, it sounds and looks like this. Again, that's your D minor 7 open chord. Hope you enjoyed the video. Keep on jamming.